I think I'm online now, just to check. Give me a second. To my voice. Oh fuck, I need to get some water first. I'm online now. Oh, it's really fun. I was just trying to get the sound. Okay, yeah, I play some song. How you doing? Blah 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 blah. Can you hear me? This is my voice. I was just trying to get the sound. Okay, yeah, I play some song. How you doing? Blah 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 blah. Can you hear me? This is my voice. Yeah, that was actually great. Okay. Oh, this is so much better. Okay, let me get start. I started briefly on this previously. It's reverse vowels of a string. Given a string S, reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and they can appear in both lower and upper cases more than once. So yeah, the way I started this was essentially just create a set of all the vowels, so I can use it to check whether something is a vowel or not. Um, yeah, what? Yeah, like, yeah, I need to figure out what. Oh yeah, now I remember. That was cheating. It's a two pointer. I have a pointer on both ends. I start with so L equals 0, while R equals to length of string, right, or -1. I think it's -1 because it's zero indexed the string itself. So yeah, now I have this. So yeah, while L is less than R. So I set now 2 pointers on both sides, one at the very end of the word and one at the very beginning. So while let me see, it's most likely. Okay, let me see, how do I do this? If I iterate it more from one side, okay, let me see. Because I understand the concept that I need to like, it's going to diverge into a singular and then create the string from there. I'm just trying to figure out like what the most optimal way of doing it. Okay. Okay, I think I don't know if that's most optimal. Okay, if okay, let me see how to define this. Okay, if s of L in is vowel. So I'm checking if this character is in vowel, meaning it's in yeah, meaning the side of the. If it is, I have to check on R. But it's the while. Is that better? And I also need an. I think it's smart to have a left ans and right ans. So like I added to them as they go. Oh, right ans might be a stack. I can just reverse it. That's probably easier. Yeah. Like function-wise, it's gonna be easier. Like in my mind, in my brain, if I realize like I have a runtime, a higher runtime for reversed, I think it would be negligible. Negligible. How would I say that? Negligible. Yeah, negligible. Is that how negligible? Yeah. Anyways, back to business. So if yeah. If as in vowel while s of L of right not equal to not in vowel and is vowel. Alright, and plus equals to s on R and R minus equals 1. So when I finally do that, I'm just trying to figure out. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, we're train of thoughts. Yeah, I now have the equals. So now I'm essentially looking at two vowels on each end, and I should switch them. So the left ands plus equals to S of R, while right answer is plus equals to S R of L, and right minus equals 1, and left plus equals 1. Yeah, that should be correct. Else, left answer plus equals to S of L, and L plus like. So now I should have. I just want to check like what happens. Left ands reversed of right ands. Just like check if it is like correctly worked. What? Oh, it's not. Yeah. I'm sorry. I don't know why I did that. What happens if I do this? Does this like. So I now have to join them. I have to reverse it first. It's a reversed element. Like, right? Yeah, how do it do that? Like, wow. That's probably easier, yeah. No, okay, what are they doing? That's probably a lot easier, to be fair. To be fair, it's easier with a list. I'm just gonna do it this way. I know like this is bad code. Like I see it now. I think I'm just gonna commit to it just to like prove I can solve it in multiple ways, and also just like, yeah, this was I haven't done this for a while, and this is one of my first coding days in, I would say, like a month or something. So it's a good practice regardless. Yeah. So now I have left answer and right answer. Left answer is correct, right answer has the reversed. Oh yeah, this is so bad code, but so I do it in reverse. I just wanted to see what happens actually, just to ensure it works. Turn in print only? Or doesn't it end ever? No, it worked just fine, didn't it? Shouldn't this work? It just, okay, this works at least. Where can I see the documentation? Don't they have like a documentation? I assume you could do that. Oh yeah, I have to identify. Okay, yeah. This should work. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, great. So left square plus equals to right hands of I turn left hands. This is not optimal regardless. Like I see creating a list would be easier. Oh why? Why does that start outside? Does it? Okay, just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. I realize like I think too much inside my own head. I need to like. What? Is that what? How does because this wasn't correct. What? Where is it? Hey, what happened to R? Yeah, what happened to R? Let's just do it. Regardless, it's a bad code anyway, so I think there's no harm in just starting it at the beginning again. Yeah, it's definitely better to create a list. So s equals list of s. That's so much better. It's so much easier to move. So for the while L is less than R. So same thing as previously. Let me see. I think as why do I need to like preface it? I realized like I did it there. Why? I'll remove it for now. Just check. Like I probably figure out as of it's still in, yeah, it's still not in this vowel. So I'm checking that it's, so if not, it's L plus equals 1. Are not in this vowel minus equals 1. So when yeah, they did it. I did it. Wow, it was wow. 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 So now we just put it. Yeah, how? Yeah, okay, I can do it like that. So far, now I just switch places. And L plus equals 1, R minus equals 1. Now print list, I just want to check, like I know I need to join them, but I can just join them now. No, join. Okay, so why did I need to return? Well, I'm trying to figure out why I need that. I just want to check like if this works, I have to figure out why like that. Okay, it didn't happen when it was odd numbers. It happened when there were what's called even numbers. So okay, let's say for in this case it stopped. Yeah, it stopped pretty early actually. So they will switch and they should switch. Oh, sorry. Switch and don't. Okay, let's just do it like manually. We will go to L. So we find E. And so they switch. Nice. And we reduce it. We found it. So D is the same place. Should switch. And they do switch. Yeah, why didn't that work? I'm actually gonna use ChatGPT just to understand the problem. So Oh shit. And oh, because um yeah, it wouldn't stop the, or it would stop. Oh, I kind of understand why. Yeah, I know. I think I see the problem. Yeah. But anyways, I think this code works as intended. I kind of looked at it, so it's cheating. So I will do better on the next one. So now I can start a timer this time, just like first word and string. Like this seems pretty easy to be fair. Firstly, I can remove all the white spaces. Okay, just print as splits. Yeah, that looks fine. How do I remove? Yeah, how did I remove? Okay, I see what I did there. I don't like that as much. Because, okay, I join the splits. So, yeah, essentially, like after, let's do it like stepwise, just like understand it properly. So, the first split, temp equals this. So, if I take print join temp, I reckon that would work. Or no, it wouldn't, wouldn't it? Would it? Yeah, they're still there. I think that's just such a weird thing to do. Then split again? So after joining you split again? Why does that work? I'm looking too much. Okay, but why does this work? Oops. Because why does this work? I don't quite understand. I'm also so the as split as an argument to split. Yeah, and I kind of understand that. That's a little bit. With multiple spaces where empty were, and split without an argument. Oh, because it, regardless of like what it was. Okay, I kind of understand now. So return. I want to join them with space. Yeah, with space of temp. Yeah, how in the reversed order? Yeah, I can just do that. I need to like properly learn all this. I will take note of it. Give me a second. Slicing, etc. Yeah, it works. Yeah, I cheated again. I didn't like that. Oh, why did I do that? It's not weird. Okay, product. Yeah, this one. This was mind boggle, and I'm trying to understand it now. Because you have to use a prefix sum and a postfix sum, and I I didn't quite understand it the first time I went through it. The prefix. This one I just didn't quite understand, like why like I understood it at the time. I didn't understand it in a sense that that would be an intuitive way of thinking, if that makes sense. Like why would this be the, like, oh, obviously I have to be use a prefix or postfix. But yeah, like, let's break it down. I know that's how you solve it, and it was an extremely well functioning case. I just gonna, well, you know what? I just gonna test like my hypothesis. It would be, yeah. I just want to find a solution just to like see it because it worked really well. Yeah, this is incorrect. You have to do it in ON. Did you? Intuition, definitely. But isn't that what you're not supposed to do? Like we have ones. That is the total multiplication on the left number to the index. Yeah, I think I remember. I guess this actually made more sense, yeah. I'm not gonna read it like so in depth of like how I understand it. You don't need to times it with itself. So on the flip side, you need to have. Let's just look at an Excel, just like. Okay, it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe. So I don't want to mark it. It's not yellow. I'm just gonna do. Okay, let's do red. So and you use the index of it. Now how did it draw it again? Yeah. You don't need to do it itself. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter what the numbers themselves are. You don't need to do it with themselves. Okay, I see how I'm supposed to do it now, I believe. So let's just create the prefix. Like I said, I know this better optimized way of doing it. I just wanted to prove that I understand how it works. But yeah, I understand after drawing it, or at least better. So let's just. Okay, the goal for. I wouldn't call it a dynamic problem, but as you the same with like you do divide it into smaller sub problems. So I will see how the prefix would be. So essentially, I know I had to create yeah, how it is just like a prefix list equals to 1 times len of nums. List. I always forget like the Python documentation, like not the one. Documentation. You know, easier. Just like go into it. Like, how? This is such a bad question. Like, my brain is not working. So it's snake case. I don't like that. Okay, now I have it. We'll start. So essentially, so what will happen? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 1, 1. It would be remains the same. This times 1. and this 2, six, which was the, yeah, I think. Okay, so for in the range of equals to I understood it correctly. Len of graphics list. That doesn't matter, to be fair. Okay, so for I, okay, it starts there. So prefix list of I equals to prefix list of I minus 1, which is the previous one, times the nums of I. I think that works actually. No, that's not incorrect. That's incorrect, yeah. Plus 1? Is the minus 1 2? I think that's weird. I need to figure out like why, I think. Okay, to be fair, that worked. I think this confused me. But because that is the issue. O of n, this is not O of n. This is already n. I don't need curiosity, just like watching the code, like. Yeah, how is this O of n? Yeah, I could have done that too. I Yep. What does other people say? Yeah. It's not times. It's yeah. Oh, fuck. I'm stupid. Pardon me. Thanks. I need to get used to this writing style. I know for a fact that I will do it for a while and then just forget again. Postfix is exactly the same. It's exactly the same. The only difference in this case is that we start with for minus one. So we do it in reverse. Yeah. Okay, yeah, len of minus one. I'll just assume it works exactly the same way. Oh, I stopped the time, not. It's out of range, yeah. Yeah, what do they do there? How does answer look now? What? Why? Okay, let me see. Why is this incorrect? Because, yeah, I see the problem now. Oh, that's actually so much more clean than what I did. Mm. It's so much more clean. Okay, let's just do that. Come on. Times itself to L. Nums of I. It is happen. But I don't think I intuitively would that. Oh, what happened here? What happened here? Yeah, actually, what? Why would this not work? You don't even need to do that. Hmm. A three-pointer system? Is this what you want? Okay, includes triplet sub sequence. I'm just looking at possibilities here. I'm thinking. I want to do like I'm just like is Oh, it's actually that easy. It's actually that easy. Yeah, it's actually that easy. I will not do this because I kind of cheated, so I don't know. String conversion. Oh, I think this is fun. And it wasn't fun. Okay, string conversion given an array of characters chars composed using the following algorithm. You can enter string s, okay, for each group of consecutive repeating characters in characters. If the group length is 1, append the characters to s, otherwise append the characters followed by the group length. The convert string s should not be returned separately, but instead be stored in the input character array chars. Note that group length are 10 or longer is split into multiple characters in chars. After modifying the input array, return the new length of the array. You must write an algorithm that uses constant extra space. Okay, initially I wouldn't think that much, but I know like I have to be mindful of the previous select. I can do that. Can't I? I will still first do the simple way. Is that actually the simple way? Okay, let's just do it. We have prev equals 2, and we have what should I call it? Count equals 0. Yeah, okay. Yeah, do it in place, yeah. How do they delete it? What? Like I promise you, I was smart once. I don't know what happened. Like back in the days, this isn't something I saw on. How long have I been alive for? Almost an hour. Dude, I don't have the. I don't know why. Okay, I need one. I need 3 more. Maybe okay, if I just do the 2 pointers. Do not return anything, modify nums in place instead. Okay. Again, I will just do it, apparently. Okay, left and right. Mm-hmm. I don't need to initialize them, to be fair. So anyway, iterate over all the numbers. Okay, but yeah, what am I supposed to do? Like, what is the smartest way of doing it? Because it won't do it in place. Sorry. If equals 0, or nums minus 1. No, but that's not what I want. I don't need it. It's my point. Yeah, I'll for So it points to 0, right? For r in range of that if nums not equal 0, nothing happens. They will switch. We don't know for certain that. We don't know for certain the first object is. And we don't know for certain that that's how it is, right? Okay, if nums of r not equal to 0, yeah, like with switch places, which I think completely makes fucking sense. So they just switch places, because the list I can do it easily. So nums of r, nums of l. Yeah. But I don't understand that. And obviously l plus equals 1. But I don't understand why it would, yeah, this would work. But I don't understand like how it guaranteed that the first number is a 0. We're not. But it worked. Okay, it will naturally. Oh, it will move it to the front. Clarify. The first number 0 after. As the first. That's why I can track stuff. To find non. And then the first non-zero. Because it swaps with itself. Yeah, I understand it now. I'll try to be more vocal when I think and do things. And okay, is subsequent. Subsequent. Okay, this I know for a fact. So we have the S pointer, P point, and T point. Both equals to 0 at the moment. Okay, great. I don't need that actually. For in the range of T. As point len of S turn true, else is on, that's it, else if else. I don't know actually what the correct coding would be, like if it's, you should have the if else. Like I think from the theory I learned, you're supposed. Dude, I need to vocalize more. I can talk through it. Essentially, I wanted to use two pointer before I realized I didn't need to have it, since I would be iterate over the larger string regardless. Yeah, regardless. Do we know? Yeah, we know for a fact. We're so Okay. But yeah, I need like the easiest check in the beginning. Just check if like as the slot unlocks down T. I don't know if that's necessary or if the code runs better that way. I will take that into consideration. That it has that a lot quicker runtime in those cases. I will keep it in mind. I need to just vocalize more. I need to just think through everything. Like, okay, we're doing this, we're doing that. Getting more and more comfortable with talking to myself. This is so weird. Like I said, I don't think you understand how weird this is for me. Mm. Okay, anyways, as true. Okay. If T of I equals 2 as point of S plus equals 1. Return false. Pardon? Of length of T. Pardon me. Pardon me. There are a lot of like small mistakes I do. Like because I was thinking that. And I also need it inside of it. I don't like this kind of code actually. Yeah, why did that happen? Okay, it worked. It's a bad code, I'm not happy with it. I wish I did better. Okay, this I remember and I like it. I don't remember like the question itself. But remember we have a L equals 0 and right. Some length of height minus 1. While it's what is it, 2 point again, and this is the max. The max is 0 point. We can have minus infinity. It doesn't matter. How, yeah, how, that's not important. If height. Okay, yeah, to be fair, that's pretty simple way of doing that. Okay, max equals max of mx, and it's the okay, it's the distance. I can go the distance. R minus L. I think there's like something on this here. Times min of height. Height L. Yeah. So, okay, if height of L is smaller than height of R, we want the highest one. L equals 1. Else minus equals 1 to max. Yeah, because I knew something was wrong here. Yeah. Okay, this one was pretty easy actually. But I did look at code again. Oh my god, I have to stop doing that. Again, this I saw it, but I kind of knew it. Max number of k-sum pairs. We're gonna integer nums and an integer k. In one operation, you can pick two numbers from the array, which yeah, I was gonna sort it regardless. I was gonna do it regardless. So once again, L equals 0, R equals len of nums minus 1, while L is less than R. Our counter 0. Okay, wow. Okay, if nums of L plus nums of R equals to K, count plus equals 1, count plus 1, and then L and right minus 1. L is nums. Now we check, okay, if it's less than K, it means that we need to increase it, then it's L plus 1, and else is minus. Return count. Okay, I was like wondering if I needed to sort it or not, but I knew I needed to sort. We're not taking into account the sorting algorithm. It's like n log of n or something, I think. Okay, this was almost too easy, so that's why I. The thing I'm uncertain is like what I should. Is this the best way of doing it? No, I'm not certain anymore. And how is this actually calculated? I solved 11 questions though. I'm gonna go to the gym soon, so I think I'm gonna quit this session for now. I think I'll come back later and do another 1 or 2 sessions. Yeah, I think it is a good place to stop actually. So I can like think the best way of how is the Leetcode site again. I might actually do this. Uh, I think I will actually do it this way. Why is Q not here? Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, thanks for. I think that's the time. Continue. Yeah. 9 minutes is a good session. Thanks for now.